friends, good morning one and all. My name is Roshan. Today what is the topic? Save trees. Trees gives life directly and indirectly. Trees provide oxygen and conserved carbon dioxide. S- Save trees more is the most important social awareness nowadays. Why? Because trees observed the carbon dioxide and release oxygen as for as they refresh the air. Trees are trees are good source of food like fruits, vegetables, etc. And trees used for medicines and papers also. Trees are useful source control climate by managing the effects of sun, rain, wind, and trees. Trees are good source not not only for us, and trees trees are good source for food and shelter for animals also. When a crop of mature trees meat provide required the oxygen to 18 peoples for for 1 year. So what I am saying, so finally what I am saying, save trees and save plants. Thanks for giving a wonderful opportunity. Bye.